So today we train staff into two-stage cleaning. So there is a bonus content where I add a third stage. So come and join me. So step one is clear the sinks of all debris, all food, and then we need to do a two-stage clean. Now we start the two-stage cleaning. First we use soapy water to clean the sink. Move it in small circles, getting all the green. Not forgetting to go behind the tap. Yeah. Soapy water in here now. And now we start scrubbing the sink. We're going to rinse the soap off. Make sure the sink is done. Is we now need to sanitise the sink. Read the label, always read labels. This is a 30 seconds contact. Here, side so across. Get right in, spread that. So that's been left for 30 seconds, and as you can see, the sink is spick and span. Now I always apply the first step, rinse the chemical with clean water. Can you rinse? Well done. So now that is ready to cool down the